therefore both a philosophy in the religion. It emphasizes doing what is natural and going with the flow. In accordance with the Tao or Tao, a cosmic force which flows through all things and binds and releases them. The philosophy grows from an observance of the natural world, and the religion developed out of a belief in cosmic
2021.
balance maintained and regulated by the Tao.
2021.
The original belief may or may not have included practices such as ancestor and spirit worship, but both of these principles are observed by many Taoists today and have been for centuries. So, Taoism is manos, Taoism and Taoism kay same man na sila. Then, Taoism and Taoism, both na sila a Chinese philosophy. And si Lao Di or Lao Tzu ang nag-contribute sa folk religion of the people primarily in the rural areas of China. And ang Taoism ang become official religion of their country under the Tang dynasty. Then ang gina-emphasize sa Taoism is like kanang going with the flow ra ka o kanang go with the flow kung sa'yo na ito makalimutan na siya. Go to the flow lang ka na word. Then
Asa sila?
ang original nila nga belief sa Taoism is may or may not have included practices such as ancestor and spirit worship, but both of these principles are observed by many Taoists today and have been for centuries. The historian Sinapian 145 to 86 before Common Era tells the story of Lao Tzu, a curator at the Royal Library in the state of Chu, who was a natural philosopher. Lao Tzu believed in the harmony of all things and that people could live peacefully together if they only considered each other's needs once in a while and recognized that their self-interest was not always in the interest of others. Lao Tzu drew impatient with people and with the corruption he saw in government, which caused the people so much pain and misery. He was so frustrated by his inability to change people's behavior that he decided to go into exile. As he was leaving China through the Western Pass, the gatekeeper Lin Shi stopped him because he recognized him as a philosopher. Lin Shi asked Lao Tzu to write a book for him before he left civilization forever, and Lao Tzu agreed. He sat down on a rock beside the gatekeeper and read the Tao Te Ching, or the Book of the Way. He stopped writing when he felt he was finished, handed the book to Lin Shi, and walked through the Western Pass to vanish into the history. Sima Qian does not continue the story after this, but presumably, if the story is true, Lin Shi would have then had the Tao Te Ching copied and distributed. So, ang origin sa Taoism is si Sima Qian. Si Sima Qian ang nag-story sa kay Lao Tzu, ang tagapangasiwa sa Royal Library in the state of Chu. Then, kani si Lao Tzu kay kuan siya a natural philosopher. Ang ginag-believe ni Lao Tzu kay kani like kanang harmony of all things that people could live peacefully together. If they only consider each other's feelings once in a while, recognize that their self-interest was not always in the interest of others, which is ang gusto ni Lao Tzu kay kanang burat magmahalan ng butang tanang tao or kaning butan ka sa isa ka tao. But mag-imo ka good sa tao para ang kato na tao para hindi magpugod si buha. Then katong si Tao Tzu, muhawa na siya sa China, na ay gatekeeper with si Lin Shi. Katong mulakaw na si Lao Tzu, di-stop siya ni Minshi. Then, nagsuyanay sila. Nung di-stop siya ni Minshi si Lao Tzu kay na-recognize si Minshi nga philosopher si Lao Tzu. Then, then si Minshi nga magsulat si Lao Tzu o kanang magsulat siya sa bato kung sa yung bilis na isulat niya sa bato. Then nagkakilkod si Lao Tzu sa ingon ni Minshi. Isulat niya sa bato, then ang Tao Te Ching, which is known na siya ang the book of the way. Then next is
The Tao Te Ching. The Tao Te Ching is an attempt to remind the people everywhere to live together peacefully. If people would only be mindful of how their thoughts and action affect themselves, others, and the earth. The Tao Te Ching is a classical Chinese text written with 81 chapters and mainly concerning Tao Dua,
Tao or Tao.
Tao or Dao, way, Te virtue, life strength. The Taoist is truth, the truth forces on the genuineness, the longevity, longevity, health, immortality, vitality, wu wei, non-action, natural action, a perfect equilibrium with Tao, detachment, the refinement, emptiness, spontaneity, transformation, and omnipotentiality. These religions and philosophical tradition of Taoism had its roots in the nature worship and divination of the earthless Chinese people. It is a book of poetry presenting the simple way of following the Tao and living life and peace with oneself, others, and the world of changes. A typical verse advises yield and overcome empty and become full, bend and become straight. To direct a reader to a simpler way of living. Instead of fighting against life,
So, the Tao Te Ching is ilang gusto is remind people na everyone could be together aring
living peacefully.
could live together and preserve a peaceful life. And the Tao Te Ching is a classical Chinese text written with 81 chapters. And the meaning of Tao or Dao is way, Te or Di is virtue, life, and strength. And ang mga Taoist is nag-focus siya sa mga genuineness, stability, health, immortality, vitality, and way. Ang way mo na siya ang non-action, ang natural action, a perfect equilibrium with Tao. Bali mo na ng pantay-pantay na ano ba? Yin Yang thought. A good reason to believe that Lao Tzu was not the author of the Tao Te Ching is that the core philosophy of Taoism grew up from the peasant class during the Shang Dynasty, 1600 to 1046 before Common Era. Long before the accepted dates for Lao Tzu, during the Shang era, the practice of divination became more popular through the reading of oracle books which would tell one's future. Reading oracle books led to a written text called the I Ching, 1250 to 1150 before Common Era, the Book of Ages, which is a book still available today providing a reader with interpretations for certain hexagrams which supposedly tell the future. A person would ask a question and then throw a handful of yellow sticks onto a flat surface, such as a table. And the I Ching would be consulted for an answer to the person's question. This hexagram consists of 6 unbroken lines called yang lines, and 6 broken lines is yin. When a person look at the pattern, the yarrow sticks made when they were drawn and consulted the hexagram in the book, they would have their answer. The broken and unbroken lines, the yin and yang, were both necessary for that answer because the principle of yin and yang were necessary for life. Historian John M. Rice. Historian John M. Kohler writes, Yin-Yang thought began as an attempt to answer the question of the origin of the universe. According to Yin-Yang thought, the universe came to be as a result of the interactions between the two primordial opposing forces of yin and yang. Because things are experienced as changing, as processes coming into being and passing out of being. They must have both yang or being and yin or lack of being. The world of changing things that constitute nature can exist only when there are both yang and yin. Without yang, nothing can come into existence. Without yin, nothing can pass out of existence. Although Taoism and the Tao Te Ching were not originally associated with the symbol known as the yin yang, they have both come to be because the philosophy of Taoism embodies the yin yang principle and yin yang thought. Life is supposed to be lived in balance as the symbol of yin and yang expresses. The yin yang is a symbol of opposites and imbalance like dark or light, dark and light, passive and aggressive, female and male, everything except good and evil. Life and death, because nature does not recognize anything as good or evil, and nature does not recognize a difference between life and non-life. All is in harmony in nature, and Taoism tries to encourage people to accept and live that kind of harmony as well.
So, ang yin and yang ay may niya ay sinasabi ng filosofiya ay binubuo ng itim, puti at itim, tapos sa liwanag at dilim, and ang kumbaga sa female and male, then tapos sa na sa liwanag at dilim din, tapos kumbaga sa sun and moon. Then tapos ang simbolo ng yin yang ay kinikilala rin bilang simbolo ng Tai Chi. Ay binubuo sa isang bilog na nahahati sa dalawang halves ng isang hubog na linya. Isang kalahati ng bilog ay itim, karaniwang kumakatawan sa yin na side. Yung isa naman ay puti para sa side ng yang. Kumbaga ang puti ay yang, ang itom ay yin. Then, ang isang tuldok ng bawat kulay ay matatagpuan malapit sa gitna ng kalahati ng isa pa. Ang dalawang halves ay sa gayon ay magkakaugnayan ng isang spiral-like curve na naghahati sa kabuuan sa istorya na ang magkabilang panig ay nagdadala ng binhi ng isa. Ang puting tuldok ay itim na bahagi at ang itim ay tuldok sa puting bahagi ay nagpapahiwatig ng magkakasamang buhay at pagkakaisa ng pagkakasalungat. Upang bumuo ng isang kabuuan, ang kurbadong linya ay nagpapahiwatig na walang ganap na paghihiwalay sa pagitan ng dalawang magkasalungat. Ang simbolo ng linyang ang gayon ay naglalaman ng magkabilang panig, duality, paradox, pagkakaisa sa pagkakaiba-iba, pagkabuo at pagkakaisa. Nasin.
So, for addition for linear thought is, if without it, nothing can pass out. Then, if without yang, nothing comes to existence. Wu Wei does not signify not acting at all, but rather not forcing things on their way. Wu Wei signifies that the action should be immediately in accordance with the Tao. Hence, the necessary will be done without exaggerations, hyperbole, or over eagerness, as these are considered obstructive. Though rather in an easy, sound, and distributing way to overall harmony and balance. It is a state of inner tranquility which will show the right effortless action at the right time. Example, the harmonious complexity of a natural ecosystem that towers well without man-made changes of way. Wu Wei could be characterized by the adaptability of the flow of water in stream. Water flows without awareness or naturally downriver or principle of Tao. It might be blocked by an object, branch, or stone, though without contriving to do so by moving around the object. Water acts without motivate. It acts with movement. If one wants to travel on water, one will use a motor link. Since it is suitable as you move around adequately on water, if one wants to walk on land, a boat is not suitable to move around. One will only be annoyed and only have difficulties, not gaining anything but inflicting damage to oneself. The Wu Wei is characterized by an activity undertaken to perceive the Taoist in all things and conform oneself to its way. The practice and efficacy of Wu Wei are fundamental in Taoist thought. The goal of Wu Wei is alignment with Tao, revealing the soul and invisible power within all things. So, the Wu Wei is, wala siya nag-signify sa kanyang mga acts lang. Kasi nag-signify sa mga acts. But, the Wu Wei, wala siya nag-signify sa kanyang mga acting lang, acts lang. Kaya wala siya wala po siya gagawin ng force lang. Then, ang gusto niya ng Wu Wei, ang ginasignify sa Wu Wei kay kanang ang mga action dapat aning action lang hindi daw dapat. O na ang ginasignify sa Wu Wei. Dapat yung action dapat ang mga organs ng tao.
The force daw na the universe.
Then, si Wu Wei nag-characterized by adaptability of the flow of water in a stream. Kaya ang water flows without awareness or naturally downriver or down by an object rather than ocean. If once nga na ay mag-travel sa water, di ba pag mag-travel sa water, di ba pinaka-ubo?
Kaya it's not way or doing nothing.
Nagayos sila of both or si Tabon, mga mabig na ang kailangan mo gamay at sa dagat. Mga pinatong sakyan, ship or boat. the natural world and I believe that human beings are innately good and only needed a reminder of their inner nature or pursue virtue over vice. There are no bad people according to Taoist principles. Only people who behave badly, giving the proper education and guidance toward understanding how the universe works. Anyone could be a good person living in harmony with the earth and with others.
The Taoist belief in spiritual and the Taoist believes in spiritual immortality where the spirits of the bodies joins the universe after death.
According to this belief, the way of the Tao is in accordance with nature while the system of the Tao is a natural and causeless situation. The best way for a person to live according to Taoism is to submit whatever life brings and be flexible. If a person adapts to the changes in life easily, that person will be happy. If a person resists the changes in life, that person will be unhappy. One's ultimate goal is to live at peace with the way of the Tao and recognize that everything that happens in life should be accepted as part of the eternal force which binds and moves through all things. The philosophy of corresponds closely with the logos of the Roman Stoics like Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius. They claimed that logos was a force of reason and that nothing which happened according to the logos could be bad. Only people's interpretation of what happened made those circumstances seem bad. Taoism claims that same thing, nothing is bad in itself. Only our self-interest makes us think that some events in life are bad and others are good. Actually, all things happen in accordance with the flow of the Tao, and since the Tao is natural, all things are natural, unlike Buddhism. It came from India but became very popular in China. Taoism arose from the observation and belief of the Chinese people. The principle of Taoism impacted Chinese culture greatly because it came from the people themselves and was a natural expression of the way the Chinese understood the universe. The concept of the importance of harmonious existence, of balance, eat well, with the equally popular philosophy of Confucianism, also native to China. Taoism and Confucianism were aligned in their view of the innate goodness of human beings, but differed in how to bring that goodness to the surface and lead to people to act in better and selfish ways. So, ang logos daw, it could be bad, then only people's interpretation of what happened made those circumstances bad. So, ang logos could be bad kay. Depende lang na sa pag-interpret sa tao kung may mo na niya bad or good. Since iba-iba mga perspectives. Ang ginaklim sa tao ni Seth is kaning walay mali. I mean, walay, ano siya natin is bad in itself. Wala daw mali. Only daw ang pagkasabutin mo sa isa ka bagay kung katunin mo na siya mali na kung katunin mo na siya nga tama na tama, hindi na siya. Malang kung ginakaputin sa tao ni Seth.
Taoist strongly believes in accumulating merits and doing good deeds that benefits society and also educating and encouraging the others to develop their morality and value system. There is a Taoist saying which goes like this: by 50,000 good deeds
through and regulates and plans and reduces all things naturally.
The Taoism and Confucianism have lived together in China for well over 2,000 years.
So, ang Taoism and Confucianism ay very similar na kasabra. Same case sila mga course nila. Then,
Deals with social matters, while Taoism concerned itself with the search for meaning. They share common beliefs about man, society, and the universe. Out of this, nations were around long before either philosophy. Rituals. These believe in allowing life to unfold in accordance with the Taoist laws that extend to Taoist rituals. However, the rituals of Taoist practice that are absolutely in accordance with the Taoist understanding but have been influenced by the Buddhist and Confucius practice. So that in the present day they are sometimes tweak, elaborate every prayer and spell which makes up a Taoist ritual of festival. Most bespoke and precisely and every step of the ritual observes perfectly. The Taoist reunions festival are presided over by a grand master, a kind of high priest, who officiates, and this celebration can last anywhere from a few days to over a week. During the ritual, the Grand Master and his assistants most perform every action and recitation in accordance with tradition, or else their efforts are wasted. This is an interesting departure from the usual Taoist understanding of going with the flow and not worrying about external rules or elaborate religious practice. Taoist ritual are concerned with honoring and ancestors of a village, community, or city, and the Grand Master will invoke the spirits of this ancestors. While incest was to purify the area. Purification is a very important element throughout the ritual. The common space of everyday life must transform into scared space to invade communion with the spirits and the gods. There are usually four assistants who attend the Grand Master in different capacities, either the musicians, sacred dancer, or leader. The Grand Master will act out the text read by one of his assistants, and his text has to do with the action of the soul of to join with the gods. And once ancestors in ancient times, the ritual was performed on a staircase leading to an altar to symbolize ascent from one's common surrounding to the higher elevation of the gods. In the present
So, during the ritual, during the ritual, ang assistant sa Grandmaster kay must perform every action and recitation in accordance with the tradition or else the efforts are wasted kung ba't hindi lang mag-perform sa Grandmaster. So, so, isa niya ni, interesting daw kaayo kay, from the usual Taoist understanding, kaya ang Taoist man, as I said before nga, anak ko ito nga, ang Taoist kay going with the flow na din na sila.
Or a religious service or other ceremony which involves a series of actions performed in a fixed order. Afterlife.
Afterlife. Taoism doesn't pay close attention to what happens after death. The afterlife. Taoists have an ambition through their whole life and is immortality. Taoism stresses health and well-being through diet and meditation. Death is nothing but a return to Tao. Taoists were traditionally not concerned with death because they expected to live forever. Taoism significantly influenced Chinese culture from the Shang dynasty forward. The recognition that all things and people are connected is expressed in the development of the arts, which reflects the people's understanding of their place in the universe and their obligation to each other. During the Tang Dynasty, Taoism became the state religion under the reign of the Emperor Xuanzong because he believed it would create harmonious balance in his subjects, and for a while he was correct. So Xuanzong's rule is still considered one of the most prosperous and stable in the history of China and the high point of the Tang Dynasty. Taoism has been nominated as a state religion a number of times throughout China's history, but the majority prefer the teachings of Confucius, or at times Buddhism, most likely because of the rituals and his life, and this beliefs which provide a structured Taoism class. Today, Taoism is recognized as one of the great world religions and continues to be practiced by people in China and throughout the world. So, ang afterlife sa Taoism is wala na sila gatong mamatay sila, mawala din sila. Ang paniniwala nila kay kanang naragyak sila din sa kalibutan, hindi sila matug kaning nga asal. Panimura din siya mamatay man sila kung mabuhi gihapon pero lain na nga world. Pero dili lang gyapon sa earth. Mao na ang bilik sa Taoism.
The afterlife or life after death is a purported existence in which the essential part of an individual's strengths or consciousness or identity